Greetings. This is a quick tutorial on how to use Strip Generator to create your own comic strip. We're going to go to stripgenerator.com. Please go there now. Okay, now that we're on at Strip Generator, we're going to click on Create. Click on Create. Next, you go to Author. You can go ahead and change the author. Put your name in. So I'm going to put my name in, Mr. Daniels. And I'm going to give it a title. I'm going to call it My Crazy Class. Now I've got my title, I've got my author. Now I'm going to create my crazy class. Here's one of my students, Sigmund, and my other student, Chesney, and here's Corel, and here's Ferdinand, and let's see if I can find Zane. Is Zane in here? How about Doyle? We'll use Doyle. Doyle's pretty cool. Click and drag your characters. Now we have our characters, our main characters. Now I can move them to the front or back as we want. So I'm going to move this guy to the front, and I'm going to move this guy to the front, and like that. So it looks like you've got lots of people stacked looking over each other's shoulder. See that? Moving front, and moving to back. Please try that. Thank you very much. Okay, we have our pictures. We want this guy to go into the front. So the one that I'm moving on the screen, I'm going to bring him to the front. Now when I move him, he passes in front of all the other characters. He's now moved to front. Please try this at home. Okay, now I've got my cast of characters. I'm going to move them all at the same time to the other pane. Now see that? I just added all of the images to another picture. So I'm going to add another window. I'm going to add these characters again. I'm going to add another window. I'm going to add these characters again. I'm going to add another window. And add the characters again. Please try this at home. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now I've added all characters over and over again. I want them all to be in every single frame. So what I will do is I can click on one of the characters, and remove him or her or it. So I'm going to remove this guy. Click on Remove. So try clicking and removing characters by clicking on them and then removing. Now that we have removed a character, I'll show you how to clear an entire box. Click on the top tab, and you can clear the entire box. Clear, and all of the characters are now gone. Please try that. Okay, now we're going to create a little bit of a story. We've got all of our characters. We've got all of our characters. Now we're going to add some text. So I'm going to place the text box over my sunglass guy, and I'm saying, this class.
Can you create something in his hand?
This class is too crazy for me.
Can you create something in his hands or something?
So, in conclusion, you can do a lot of things. If you find that you want to delete a particular frame, make sure it's the last frame that you delete, because all other frames, you can't select one frame and delete it. Thank you very much for watching, and happy computing.